Hello everyone. Today I'll be unboxing this Qshave short handle classic safety razor. Alright, so here's the box. This is Qshave. Very simple. Back of the box. It just says some of their information on their branding. Alright, so I'll unbox it now. And yeah, here's what you'll see. See the razor. Let's get it out. Alright, so here's the razor itself. It looks pretty decent. Here's a brush to clean it, and here's some razor blades that they gave you. They give you. Alright, so I'll try and put this. I'll try to put a razor blade in, and I'll get back to you. I'll try and put the razor in. Just open it first. Alright, comes with 5 razor blades, but yeah. To open this, you just unscrew it counterclockwise. Just put it here. Then you screw it back on once you've put the razor in. Yeah. Yeah, as you see, the razor is loaded in the. See. Okay, thank you for watching this unboxing of this Qshave razor.